This video is sponsored by Mala, manufacturers of engine components, filters, and peripherals. Visit mala-aftermarket.com for more information.
Hi, this is Josh Cable, editor of Counterman. One way to educate your customers about the importance of cabin air filters is to talk about what happens when you don't replace them on a regular basis, which is usually at least once a year. If the cabin air filter is clogged or isn't functioning properly, the concentration of pollutants inside the vehicle can be 6 times higher than the outside air. That's because the exhaust fumes of the cars in front of you are getting sucked into the interior of your vehicle, along with industrial pollution, pollen, diesel particulate matter, and other irritants. Yuck! Driving around with a clogged cabin air filter is like stuffing a dirty sock into the HVAC inlet pipe. A dirty cabin air filter becomes a trap for debris, mold, and bacteria, creating nasty odors and unhealthy air inside the passenger compartment. A clogged filter also restricts airflow through the HVAC ducts, which can reduce the efficiency of the heater, defroster, and air conditioning. It's important to educate your customers about cabin air filters and to remind them that when they replace a cabin air filter, it's their health and their vehicle that they're protecting. I'm Josh Cable. Thanks for watching.